Hi everybody, and welcome back to another session on Speed Maths. In the previous session we had discussed a method of multiplying a number with 11. Let's say we could take up a number 62 and multiply it with 11. The method was you simply first of all copy this digit as it is 2, and that becomes the unit digit of your answer. Next is you add these two digits, 6 plus 2, that was 8. Finally you simply copy this digit 6 over here, and that was your answer. Now what happens if I have a number like, let's say, 78? Well, let's start. There's no change in the method. 8 remains 8. The interesting thing comes now. I have to add these two digits, which is 7 plus 8. That gives me 15. Now 15 cannot be written here as 15. I'll simply write it as 5 and put a carryover for my next calculation. What's my next calculation? Normally I would have written the 7 over here, but in this case 7 has a carryover with it, so now you have a 7 plus 1, that's 8. So your correct answer is 858. Remember to use only one digit at a time. Let's take another case. Let's say 96 times 11. Copy this 6 over here. This of course will never change. What's next? Well, 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15 again. Again, do not do anything else. Do not write all the digits. Write only a single digit, 5 for a 15, and put your carryover 1 over here. You might as well save it in your mind. Finally, this is a 9 over here, but 9 plus 1 is to be written as 9 plus 1, 10, and 1056 becomes your correct answer. Okay, let's take one last case. Let's say 39. How about 39? I'll write the digit 9 as the unit digit of my answer. Then I have 9 plus 3, that's 12. I put a carryover here. Finally 3, but 3 cannot be written as 3 because there is a carryover, so I'll say 3 plus 1, 4, and 429 becomes my correct answer. Observe how the same method will also hold good for a 3-digit number. I'll start with a number like 279. What should be 279 times 11? Well, start with the unit digit. You have 9. Next thing you do is you add this 9 and 7. You get a 16, but you can only use one digit at a time, so you say 16 with a carryover of 1. Next, you will be adding these two digits, so it's 7 plus 2. Normally it would have been 7 plus 2, 9, but here in this case I have a carryover which is 9 plus 1, 10. Again, be careful to use only a single digit, so I put a 0 with another carryover 1. Finally, I would have written 2, but here I have a carryover which is 2 and the carryover 1, that gives me 3. Therefore the correct answer is going to be 3069. Okay, let's take one more case of a 3-digit number. Let's say 567 times 11. The first thing, 7, that always remains the same. Next, I add the 7 to its digit before the 7. In this case, the digit before 7 is 6. So I have 7 plus 6, that's 13. Say 3 with a carryover. Next, 5 plus 6, that would have been normally 11, but I have a carryover, so 11 plus 1. I have 12. Again, I'm still left with one more carryover. Finally 5 plus 1, 6. 6237, that's my answer. Okay, let's quickly recap what happens when there is a carryover. Let's say I have a number 47 to be multiplied with 11. I copy the same digit over here, that's 7. 7 plus 4 gives me 11. Put 1 here, and there is a carryover of 1. Finally 4 would have normally come here as it is, but now I have 4 plus this 1, which is 5. Therefore my correct answer is 517. Similarly, if I have a 3-digit number where there are carryovers, just watch how the same things keep on repeating, the same concepts. 386 to be multiplied with 11. What do I do first? I'll write 6 over here. Next, 6 plus 8, that's 14, so I write a 4 over here with a carryover. 8 plus 3, that's 11. I write a 1 over here. Again, I'm still having a carryover. Finally, I would have normally written 3, but there is a carryover, therefore 3 over here, and there is a 1 over here, therefore 3 plus 1, 4. Is that correct? Have we missed out something? Well, definitely we forgot to use a carryover, so this is not going to be your answer. Let's write it again. 6 of course is 6. 8 plus 6 is of course 14. Now I have a carryover. 3 plus 8 is 11. Observe that I forgot to use the carryover. So 11 plus 1, that's 12. I have 2 and a carryover 1. Yes, now I'm on the right track. This 3 plus 1, 4. The idea here was to just show you that there is a small case where you are likely to make a slip. So keep on practicing with these numbers and keep coming back for more videos. Thank you. Good having you.